Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to apply as a driver for Skip Dishes. It's not something difficult. They're just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're going to be able to do it. So I'm going to share with you right now what you will need in order to apply as a driver. So I'm going to open now my browser. And as you can see here, I'm on the official website of Skip the Dishes, and here like they mentioned what you will need to sign up as a driver. So to sign up, you must be the age of majority in your province of residence, okay, and you have a reliable vehicle and submit a copy of these required documents. So it's a valid driver's license, vehicle insurance, vehicle registration, proof of work eligibility, and background check. And also you will need the following: smartphone with like a data plan, direct deposit banking information, and industry standard. Okay, so these are the things that you will need in order to apply as a driver for Skip the Dishes. It's not something like difficult to get it. They are just some normal or easy documents that you can get in order to apply as a driver. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.